The view and opinion in this video and comments on this channel do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions by this channel podcaster.
Beehive Podcast with Richie B.
Richie B, big up. Richie B, big up. I keep on doing Spanish and nice. Big up. Richie B, big up. Richie B, big up. I keep on doing Spanish and nice. Richie B, big up.
Awewe
ayeyo
ayewe kana awewe kinto yatsaka
awewe
awewe ki slogan saka tsaka awewe let's toast Brian again they need toast that like get into la orange welcome man
Sure,
thank you so much all the way from high Pologwane
ish brai
to here
watse
e bontsha ka netoro tsa o happy mo
watse ba brai no boda
ene botsu ka re ke mathomo tla magwe ke mathomo tla magwe
ana bra na ke tseba shego fela braga di tja di jozi di santeni ke a duma go no le bana TikTok marabo
yeah
ke lendi
ndongolo ngore toast ngitlo ga re bolela toastelang so ke tlore mo mani ntjaka re berekela channel
mo money
yeah
eh
mo what
mo education bana ba sekolo
yeah mo education mo sex yeah
awu medem
mo yena mo sex ko
medem ya du mo mara
mo what mo di
success
kire khona kirileng
success
yeah guys two more gigs man we need man
2 more gigs yeah
more
and
music,
more
hits
more
music,
views
more views
baluya bawe watswana
yeah man all right ladies and gents thank you so much one more time for tuning in thank you so much for being here I know you could have been somewhere else doing some things but just to be here with me Kalabijo Richie B shimana motelle ka siemo o mosorwane ka mmala ba bantse mo ba re ke na Mr Tanky my baby Tanky Mahosha
yeah
Black Boy Steezy
ke na
Larry o maro jole jo dumela mos
na sina leri na Steezy Black Boy Steezy ke nna mpya sheo mpya the podcast mpya ya girls
yeah the girls
Yeah.
so RDSO because of the reason why you're here today o tlile go mpoja braga a ke happy Steezy ki my co-colleague yeah ki a podcaster a musician what else
alaka acting gona ka
like acting yeah man but the reason why tlile more tlo bolela ka yona or why o rile au shapa o monate you want to onya go bolela about it
sure bro
but Steezy ke mang because of kinana or Black Boy Steezy ke mabitso le ra bere ke shela Richie B on tswa Steezy ke makona mang mechomi
na Richie B ya bra na Tsiamo
yeah
wa rapetswa
sure
go le sheo la tseba content is based on sheo that's why ke phela ke re ke tswa sheo man is because ke mo go le ngwana braga
Yeah.
ke mo ke creating mo street knowledge
Yeah.
ona braga o reng mo kante o zulu so braga ngisha
Sure.
so braga go le zontre se sheo
sure
go di shemo tsalo mo
oh single parent
single
ke old lady all the time
ke o lead mama zalaga has been a father and a mother to me ngisha braga lo tshidi baya krutile ke msadula ngisha lo hasela ke msadula mama zalaga wa hasela braga
sure
ngisha braga so ole nno re ke thomelo je di content braga ke la gore gale ke zama ngisha braga ne ke zama o reng at least ke die something because wa bona lo sekolo se badile braga ish ka mka se refiu ka sekolong se padile braga
o re jwang se padile jwang kana o buile mo kae o feditse mo kae
braga go dropela out
drop out varsity or
wa ka high school ka ngisha braga ore ke drop out e bile la o reng ish ganona le mosadi o mongwe so antse pische ma o dumela mafatse mo le ke sa betha hip hop
yeah
ngisha braga so gale ke gone di asa ke every weekend so ya beile o reng botse ke science schoolong if ke gone di asa ke ka weekend ngisha braga
yeah
so ka tola school no drop out mama zala le na re hey wa ke tola zgila mara wa kushisha braga o bona fing o to no togelo no bushoreng ke a tso
yeah
so braga ke to tsgila ka re ka second week
no dia bokae no bala bokae
yona tsena ra matric second week kono phaka dibuka braga nambele beke le ngwe ba thoma di lesson na braga ka letsa
esa
ngisha braga ke le tshis gila and I'm not happy for the story because after mosadi la tong betraya bra ke bone reng education was important
mosadi o keng ke cherry or mosadi
ke mosadi straight o mogolo mo ngwana
o tsepishang
bra mosadi lo utlile mo go nna reng o toba manager wa ka o sha bra
yeah.
ke sa phusha hip hop le ke fisha street o sha bra so ibile lo reng mosadi lo mbutse o reng ko re nna ne ke bona chalete bra na flopa ke bone zaka kana o shore zaka e tontu shore reng ke tsoga situation ke tsonga yo gore o mo situation ya ka bra ka sore e sha o sha re start la kwa lugua bra o sha mama zala ke na breadwinner ka gae so ibile lo re ke no bona zaka no shore reng e nga tswela pele ke pusha Dayden nga ba shapa le nna ka bala uthile mama zala ba shapa o sha bra so mosadi lo ntshepisitse maodimo le mafase ka tola zgila o tola zgila go ke la gore ne ke phela ke bukiwa braka o sha ke diazaka
yeah
so
ka hip hop
ka hip hop ne ke diazaka mo le sa fisha
braga mvele give me a flow e one or le ke di bus or ke di 16 or ke di 12 or ke ba di bitsa ka hip hop I know now recently now o mo le kompong too much and
get buzz
yeah ka hip hop
re go betela something re ke na ke rile se mona go mong khama kompo fela apa ke lo re na bra ke te go pola
ko ja o e one e lo rengona le yona ke feng e lo re
ke na le go shetse ba o ne le ngo ya re ke come home ka kwa ne go bolela ka e go ga le ka rapper ne go bolela ka madre e re go polo flone gola
o tswile mo hip hop
hip hop wa ka sa o pola di fluje la bra mara wa bona ke re shafedi mara ka wa bele ke shafedi mara bra ke nel di koshetse ke di dirile o musha le ba majita mangwe ba gala ba dula mo juzi
mpetha ka ya le kompo ya
le kompo verse ke ngwadile ine verse ke le ke dia bra ke bethile ke se stable de bra ke go wisha ere shafere na moloe one tester e ke pushene ba phela bang kessa ke John Rambo King Kunta King Kong mara fere na ke rapele di feelings ke Tupac ya show ba mfilla ke Fimbela bona ke ba wisha le chomi bona ba preacher mara fere nda ke to pusha ka ba wisha mama zala phela an lecture e ke flopa a phela an kessa bona no na ke phela ka snacka na mfala ke nozola ka o trenda TikTok na ke topless nigga ongusha bra la ba fana nyana la ongusha bra so na brage ke ngwala something ke ngwala from loje ke di dirang in situation e le mo go yona o ngusha brage TikTok ba ntse ba ke le topless ne o ngusha brage ga re khale ke bathe di skits ke no re hey stise ke nna e ke ni tswa sheo so ba tonche ba ntse ba la Dayden so ne each and everything e ke di yang braga in a message
you are a podcaster ne and obviously una le line how yo tsena nga yona like na ke re ka le bitso ke re chibi mshima no motelle ka same
sure
ke khopela ko that line ya gago ila o tsena ka yona when you introduce your guest man
o sha gere ai li bodiwa ke da stise ke nna e mene ke tswa shego man e ba fit welcome to the Richie B ongushe stise ke nna
so what happened you are here today
ish bra
what happened
na bra ke tla ga skhalo usha bra ke nyorile batho ba ntse ba gushisho reng le re shwa se ya ka bra go ke no ba mmeriki ongusha bra le re shwa se ya ka bra ke majita mangwe bo dula ka thabiri ongusha bra so majitali ke le reng ba go je ke pusha di skits tsa ka mo TikTok ba re ba ta mo go nna ba ngopela reng ke be part of the show ya bona bra ka ba botse re bra ja ka na ke goni present na ntwa senga idea mo plomba ba reng bra ka bona tota za ke remember the first interview ke dile le bona gale re interviewer Ngubi the entertainer
ke mon
sha bra bana tile ke le spanning ke sa spana go TAC wala dad TAC lifestyle bana take spanning bra ka patha the same time ke patha the le majita up video ya va sha bra so e video e va ile lo reng okay sharp this is something I can do sha bra so majita ka mo godile di bilanga ona ke tsebe reng gala ba bona ga no re nga tsole ke findila out braga mara ke findila out because some trauma braga ke nna ke dishen di guest go podcast day ke nna ke pusha podcast day la braga podcast day before nna ke to ba mola podcasting ile galena le ma 6 to in le ma 5 to 6 years e pusha braga se ke isa grade views o musha so nna ke le ke ta da podcast ele thumlo namelela bra ga le namelela podcast ele
because of influence. Yeah.
ungisha bra
Sure.
so Majita wa ba le situation ele gore ba bona gore podcast apa ya vai
Yeah.
ra bolata ba change the contract so ba teacher contract braga odima contract ele ke e bala empotso gore sonche ke eme 2 years or ke be le any go to any media bo podcast so bo TV ke ema 2 years ka mo gore ke re span braga fe nna ka decide to tola le rishu wa bona ba nko
Oh, so o bereka le bona for 2 years.
Sure.
I wanna go like so go se go Richie B or presenter Richie B.
Sure. So sonche ke eme 2 years ka mo gore contract ele e felelele o musha braga so le nna ke bona rapo mo is like I'm selling my soul ape ba fethu ka style mo ba nyo go ntshwarelela
Yeah.
o musha braga so nna ya be le gore braga shapa contract ele ka bo tsoro braga ke isha contract ele morao fixa mo le mo khile taibusha so along the way braga wa tseba once you kra momentum mula yo re sharp wa trend podcast ya pusha wa ona nga lo tshedi bye
Yeah.
wa no to nyoko re ngo ke sharp so nje ke pusha span bi ke shootha mama ya mfonela next week video ya drop
Yeah.
ongisha braga so ibile that thing yo ring I was blindsided braga ka day ya podcasting yo ring the guest because never be under pressure braga re ke teacher each and everybody who braga ongisha
Yeah.
le Master Cortez
Yeah, okay, I remember
we
that.
opola Master Cortez
Yeah.
Master Cortez ke mo phone tjala siting braga le busy da man ampo jarman ke na le interview tje 5 this weekend
Yeah.
mara ka re ko wena ke ata no so da mo go re fitile 1 hour 30 minutes da ongisha ra shoota braga after re fetso shoota Master Cortez ba bo jara ba fana ba ga reason why ke dilemo is because of this boy
Yeah.
this boy na la power ka mara lo kompene mfano o frustane ka batho ba ba including the artist once you guys lose this boy le podcast le to Majita ba no tsheba ra wa brothers o ngusha braga
Yeah.
kana bona ka mara ba tsoro ba die o ngusha braga so Majita ke findela out or Majita pe podcast ne ba diela za ka braga
Joang, how so?
like e really di gigging so
Yeah.
like the nothing so go jera pathedi interview
Yeah.
ba all from there from being there
Oh, like
Ongisha
they book them or
Sure.
as a media
Sure.
media side.
sure
And when why as a presenter.
sharp bra
Udi di away
ya
what
we ke rasa braga bona ba duju bua chube no ya la braga na ke no ka ba reng ke present
o spanning.
ngusha braga
Yeah.
so ibile le reng I found out or Majita ba patre
Yeah.
ngusha braga ke na le 2 years ke spana le Majita ke re braga
Sure.
mo nna braga since ke spana 2 years ya bona ka muka braga Majita sala ba mpha 250
250,000.
sure 200 to 250
100 rand je paid.
100 rand tse pedi le 50 rand ta braga
Ke payment is
ke payment e sale ke kera from Majita and payment e ke krile last year June and go rapa mfesa ke is because gigele re krilling khalele ya OTE mfano le ba re ke Vicky Dangerous o dile mo go nna ngopela gore re bethe dry
Yeah.
ba fute kwa ba nyoko bola mfitule za ka ba reng mfitule re fa 7,000 plus rider ya ba nna ka bolela ka ra o mon re ka sebe greedy so and especially re le mokase are fa 5,000 plus rider
Yeah.
so odima ka ba ka re na itile ka nna ba mfile 250 250
Ezor ke o tse braga mara as a middleman sharp le PGJ to 5k. No expect lo ba febo how many team le ke company le batho ba ba ka.
braga e re go botse nna ke tsena ka le re show go tshele batho ba 7 o ngisha braga
Yeah.
out of 7 ila ba veile ka moka wa shala nna ke 3
Yeah.
le Majita mabedi ba the owner tja le re show
Yeah. Ke bo mambo who are those
aish
ba private or ba bidinsa.
ba phela ba le behind the cameras
Oh.
hanchi
Yeah.
o ngisha braga so Majita ke bona the founder tja le re show
Yeah.
o ngisha braga so nga se re out of 7 ile ke bala bona ke bala le nna out of 7 ya nile ke nne ke ete ke setseng braga 6 vein
So let's do this. You can understand. What's into that? But Renyagorobe, our presenter. Obviously, there's a deal. What was the deal? Deal presenter, Ropatara this much, or presenter, we share the royalties, or we share the revenues, YouTube, or something. What was the deal?
budila rena na muwa tse ibile bjong braga Majita ba tile mo nna ba khale ka ba botsa gore braga jaaka le tomfa bokae
Yeah.
ongisha But once the podcast is out there and it's big, we're gonna share the money.
Yeah.
Ongisha braga. Ya be lelo re braga na ke be out here sharp a ke nyoko bontsho re ke greedy braga re ka na ke a ke greedy braga ongisha.
Yeah.
Na me help braga. Ke thusha batho ba ntshi kwa ka se braga ongisha. Na me help braga. If we were not ka offering you so ke to thusha.
Yeah.
So majida ba tla offering you so ka ba size ba mo tjore e le re show be a sharp e thomo patediwa ba to ngathela braga.
Yeah.
So gore ke jump reng e thomo dia saka ke bone ka di advert mo YouTube reng YouTube every video re diang ina le ad
Yeah.
nambele ke mo le ke ba approach ka ba feta pe YouTube is monetized, the show is monetized o dia ba tisha contract ani ba reng ke ama 2 years before go to spanner le Richie B.
I understand. We're my 2 years. Mara, on the contract, what was it? Like, they agree like and share 50-50 or
Oh share khala re go re share era bala ba 7 na ke contract di le sala 7
Yeah.
kore go dima percentage ene ke kera ngwa khale ke kera boma 7.5% of being on the screen and from the podcast
Yeah.
ongisha braga
Yeah.
nna gore ke umishe contract is because ba ke bone yela 2 years or eng so ntse ke no ya ma 2 years ke sa di se yelo braga
Of which you're buying there.
ongisha braga so that's why ke bushitse daidene kare ba ilukisha ba feel o ilukisha braga nna ka tja ke madi o reng ke trenda ke gone bola le Chandesh
Yeah.
ke gone bola le Janesh go re ile gore to
Only access, connection.
sure ongisha braga so majita ke daidene la bona bona ra mfano le beje a re no mathaza braga ba njile za ka majita braga ongisha braga
Yeah.
lead boss area di for example listening session ya Sanjesh
Yeah.
bazuri file za and aketse biselo ka yona braga
Ona kula ka hit boss are I paid you. guys.
le big T au thungwa ka bare ke big T le nung ke only ana mbuditseng khale le co-manager ya the podcast.
Yeah.
He's the one who told me or mfetho hapo mfana ka ke a bona ro o khale le this podcast mar you are the one who's dying, they are going up ke bona ba ban sharp.
But you know, when coming to money, Zaga Braga Zuzugare, Zaga get Satan. So beside that, I saw there is a new podcast. Yeah, Steezy Academy or something. What is the name of the podcast?
The
new
podcast Academy.
Podcast Academy. That's
Yeah.
your new podcast.
That's my new podcast. Ke nada plus my manager Dini. Dini and I'm managing everything from now on because ngas die the one because so njikele bala le guest ngas bela na go manage the whole podcast.
Okay.
So Dini ke na untushanga everything.
Yeah.
Ongisha. Lina ke la ke khala mo yena.
Yeah.
Ongisha Braga. He was there ringe ka uthusha. And khalre ma Braga na ma thuks re ma ringe ka le dilo tsa podcast o ringe e re thomo shoot dilo di be di sharp.
Yeah.
Ongisha Braga.
Sure.
Ka expense amang ya Dini o bontsho ringe o go share story sa go ringe ke akhawathega Braga ongisha.
I feel you, man.
Ke
Yeah.
akhawathega and one nto mo go share botoko is because wa bona nkombo ball economics la December last year.
6 December, yeah.
Sure Braga wa tsewa mona khale nna ke etse Braga o khala emission artistical line or ke di interview.
And they're monetizing that.
Bona Braga bu Prince Benza bu Slido bu ma Black Ninja bu Janesh bu DJ Janisto khale ke ba emission line so Braga ba line Braga le nna ke etse ene kwa khalona le kombo online Braga la uthela kombo online aba mbutjore mona o dia ba ntabe so ka mutjore Braga na ke tse
That's the power.
ke no bore ke na le Frostane ne ke Frostane ka batho ba ya Braga o ngisha ke mistema artist la ka line Braga gore ke di interview hala ba sa e go mfethu na ba eta mo go nna mfethu ba tja mo go nna reng go polotele ka mo Braga o bethenya.
But out of Larry Shaw. Ke Larry Shaw or ke Harry Shaw?
Ke Larry Shaw, the
Larry
Larry
Shaw.
Shaw, eh.
Now, remember, guys, we guys see you. Na ratseba na di podcast.
Sure.
We know the likes of Bo or me. I know the likes of Bo. Appreciate and all the podcasters go high. What you raging that show? Kabu yona self.
Sure.
Do you think or molongona ngabolo gona without it, or do you think or it if impacting yana more life in in terms of career wise?
Bara re go botse na ke reng mo ba fethu ntwe ke reng ngala bo gore ba ngele yone ke o reng ke gone presenter fe.
Yeah.
Ongisha ne ke sa ke tsebe o reng nka presenter Braga le nna ka ba a presenter ka ema ka bo chat question.
Yeah.
Ongisha. Sorry. Majita ape mona Richie B batho ntse hore ba tsebe le risho ke nna bra
nna ke tseba ile ya gago that's why
Exactly.
ke sa tsebe gore like you're working for someone
Exactly,
or
bra.
something like that and I get that's shout out to my producer Gap here na I'm alone braya when you do something rather appoint them let them work with you but under you not what's why this thing yeah let me not give you advice but according to nna ka mokgo ke bonang here ga re dutse sora ba le plan ra ba fit let's start a podcast 37 1 2 3 4 5 7 it can be because of what Zach.
Sure.
So this one, yeah, academy. Is it you or there's someone else? Well, it's
Awa ke nna ke one dini gena a
manager.
coveranga ke manager go ro cover everything e to short ngo podcasting go rena re two
yeah.
ongisha bra ke re two so ba rena re two fela a one batho ba bangwe ya ke rena re two
Yeah.
if re to kgona gore re shoot a video re to make sure re bea camera kwa ra make sure re gra write a picture or re shoot podcast re to idia the bra
My question is that when before Larry Show podcast, now, if ngabe say Larry Show podcast, ngabe ba utsiba ka mkho ba utsiba nga gona now.
na ga le batlo ntse ba mothagola o dia content or stizi ke nna tha a se apare skip
Yeah, because I'm saying this kata ba stizi kata ba yore na batho ba ntshi ba ntse ba ka podcast. And like tsama go start thing this podcast made me one to with the guests that what le mo ba bless her with their appearance. So when or maybe I could say man. What can you say to them? What message do you want to give them?
to the Larry Show
Yeah.
not to the message to the Larry Show le bracha ga ke lo lena ke a le frostana la tseba bracha ka since D1 ke le bulitse reng ke to ba lena bracha ke a le frostana ngisha mara ntwe ngusitse motho go reng lena le paletse go bola le nna as the brothers tja go reng mfethutha ga so ka taba tja dizaka ongisha ingabe litlo if le go shumisha zaka ingabe le buletse gore zaka re shumisha for 1212 because una le ubile situation ngwe re chibi bampo tjo reng zaka is going to the business ongisha braga
Yeah.
ke wa reka di equipment braga ha ona equipment ngila ka bana rekiwa ntugile ba reka ke drone 800 ba mbo tjo re 6000 wa braga 6000 ya gona tso re file ka magi boss he 6000 ya ona ba mbo tjo
Why
re
not so young or 800 drone yo?
ngije google take a lot braga e tjo google braga ba re leng ba re ke le take a lot
Yeah.
ka re go google drone le ka bona re braga pe drone le is like 800 namblasi barake it was for 6000 nambile mfethu 5.3 le
O nya go tsaba re
braga
tsotso.
5.3 le ga braga
Yo,
braga majitala ba para sharp braga ba nka fresh braga na ke braga bo bona ke apere jwa braga ke apara di apara tsa maguleng braga ba fethu ba pathelable head to toe braga ongisha na ke apara di apara tsa maguleng and zake ke ikran braga na ka ola sasa kola Ramaphosa 3 khalele 350 no ke 370 braga
Yeah.
na go la Ramaphosa braga and I'm not afraid to say it I'm not ashamed or ke bolela that end because azakele gone impidishitseng o reng le nne ke bela out because batho ba ntshi braga ba le village they don't know my story ba bona wa ke stizi mpia e sha
I thought o sharp. When
le
you
sharp,
le bona
bra.
mo di camereng ke bona o sharp ibile I
Braga.
thought o lo go half lo go or something like that.
braga a ke sharp
Are you colored?
ma ka go botami ka go papa ka go
Oh.
ke le teng mara ka mo mazala ke mo pedi mixane le bo vendanyana
Oh.
Sha. So braga wa bana na ke sharp braga flopna I don't show people my pain and my struggle
Yeah.
ongisha nga se bontshe motho re braga ke a struggle le wa bana le din na sa tsore ke a struggle khala na no re ke sharp
Yeah, le nne ke bona o le sharp jo.
a ke sharp braga ino ba re nga so jambishetse ka go bontshe re braga ke a sokola braga ne ke dula ka room braga ne ke di faile ka gae ka nya ka room braga wa tseba ka room ne ke robala dimeng ne ke robala dima lentras wa ba lentras le lampet only busy go be ke lentras fela ka ra room braga o no drop a ke ne di jwa ke ne ine teng braga mara majita ba duje ka ra upstairs braga majita ba le re ba dula ka ra upstairs ke stop boy ba dula ka water beer braga na ke dula room braga ke thapa ka ra packet o koropa braga ke sene selo wa tseba khale ke jeng braga ne ke reka ora bana chipa tshele golo
Yeah.
ne ke reka packet tse 3 ke breakfast lunch le o robala braga
Di le soro di mixa ka bro.
di so braga ke te reka chelete ke te reka chelete braga ne ga sera se tse mamazala or ish mamazala pa ka khawathe ke na siblings she pe tse mamazala so tse re thoko mini di sa ya skolong braga ongisha
Yeah.
na flopa braga nna a ke rata lapisha batho le motswadi ya ka wa tsebe nka se mo lapishe nka khawathela jwang kapa jwang ka thoka lotion ka thoka eng nka se mmoja braga it's because ke daireng yo reng braga le nna ke monna so ke ruto yema
Yeah.
ke eme braga go sure ke ema braga e nga tshwara 350 braga ke go ka re ke tshwere million. It's because that's the only money and income I get ongisha braga from that 350
But you used to perform. I've seen your videos performing. How much were you charging at the time?
performing when ke sa batho ma 2.5
Yeah.
ongisha braga ka 2.5 fela ke a tseba re go patala room ongisha braga
Yeah.
ke patala room ke baya borosho khulinyana ongisha
Yeah.
na braga na ke tsebo ya ka KFC ke re go reka KFC braga ke tsebo rekola KFC. It's because braga zake ke itshuri ke a limit because ke a tsebo reng inga spenda zaka nu o sa se go tswa ke sene selo braga ke a limit braga inga re mo ke re go tsoja outsinyana ke ke re ke lokota braga 25 rand ora braga mo ke jele ke mo ke reng yambo ke tswa restaurant.
Come on. Joe.
But
Are you say for real?
braga go botsa nnete batho ba ke phalana bana ba tseba story sa go bona o na le mpeng wa ka ba re ke sidro damane ke mokisitse bothoko ba tsa ba ntšha le dikeledi braga ke mmotsa tšetše leng gale re boa giging ke members only ba edile ka mopolokwane
Yeah.
braga damane re le re boa a tsena ka McDonald braga ke rile ka re ke ngathabua braga a go ke a re ke eng ka braga wa tseba sa le fletšo ja McDonald ning braga sa le fletšo ja McDonald ke sa le mfana
Dizzy, come on.
braga go botsa nnete sa le fletšo ja McDonald ke le mfana braga ke le mfana damana go bothoko braga because I was excited to eat that ish wa bona go ba emotional braga I was excited to eat that McDonald's braga is because I cannot afford oringi le nna braga ke spendele ke reng ke ba thendo solo date braga ongisha braga is because braga I got food iselo I'm broke I can zaka ongisha braga lifestyle ga e reng mfetho sharp I can selo braga
Like you want all the sharp. Like when you hear like sheriff.
Sure.
What come on?
dini
Denny. Like ke bona ebile ke ipotsa re mo ke tlona mabotlolo. Like when I see you, braga, like
Sure.
maybe re jaja buka ka ntle re sa
Sure.
tsebe ka mogare.
sure braga la braga ne selo and le nga se bontšhe motho re ya sokola braga
Come
le majida ma ba phela ba khala ba re mona wa sa bolile ra o ne selo ka re braga na ke re go lapisha batho nga so lapisha braga ore e braga pa ke ne borotho ke neng so ntse ke die plan if ke robala ka tala ke robala ka tala ore le nuso wa re ke vai kwa room o ngubile braga because ke na le ma 2 months ke sa patedi room
O bloma ka ino.
ka le ke bloma ka nuso ke wetše ka gae mara before ke wela ka gae general survey wa mane general survey
Yeah.
damane ke la uthi braga o re la find out a tile o rumung braga bona re mfana ka aska mo go tshwantse o dule ga ona braga
Yeah.
a magala gore braga ke robola dima lentra se braga le paile ke le shumisha a se la ke la next door neighbor ya ka yana ka go rumung ke no mo gopela braga ke go tuni damana ngola botho ka re mpia tša le pai ke sene se lo braga general survivor mo no ka sephele so e tlo dule le nanto ke to dula le bo between si Captain Moshka le general
Yeah.
braga general ke la uthi braga khale go utile braga ore ke no so braga general
Survive.
ongisha braga damane braga ore khono fepa ngwana ngwana mosadi o mongwe braga
And come to think, Jenna Survivor is still young. How,
Eh.
like, o salo mnyane
O
to
salo
a point,
monyane,
like,
bra.
o feta or mo feta.
wa mfeta na ke sala mfana general survey wa mfeta braga mara ka mkhola ntshole nga gone I saw the brother in him and a father in him because braga o ka shotse selo na le dama
Yeah, man.
woman tap
Yeah.
ke re ke general survey
Come on, don't say that.
go botsa var tap ya didas ke re ke general survey ba braga ya para tap ngo chika maso braga and tap ya le ke thagalitse ke cousin a
E le gore General Survivor wena le tlhakane jwang? How did you guys?
general survey ba khalintse ke motseba before ke to thomelo tše di skits khalintse ke motseba e le wa outel mo ke spana ne phele ba tha dryer server ke nna ke sa le witha ke re braga
Yeah.
so ya be ile o reng podcast le ba gona e la le re show
Yeah.
ka mo invite and from there no be ile o reng ne ba outtake ba lana na the WhatsApp o mo sha braga le ne ba outtela re ke nna le ka mo go batho ba nagana ga gona re ke nna le o mo sha
Yeah.
so ya be ile o reng awa a thomo dula ka kasi a movela ta dula sheo
Yeah.
so a dula sheo na sa dula le Captain Mosh so ya be ile o reng a ka thomo phala le ena mle from there awa yana pa ile ba braga street o mo sha braga
Yeah, man.
so le ke to move ka gae ke mmudi ja braga ke move le ka gae a re bone you know dutse le Captain tla nna ke kra plek mo le ka re dulang ka moka as magic
Yeah.
o ngisha braga nambile ka go same time ke dula le captain ka go tsa room
Ke ne no robala ka mo di matendras.
o ngisha braga le ndras le ke la le go tsana ka bua se la o bana nga ba le se go go tlo robalo di a summit a tail braga
No pusha king okay sharp. No pusha king o rotswa ka mo gae no ka mo.
o re ke tswa ka gae
No sna mpete ka mo gae.
ga le ona
So why did
o re ke vibes because braga a re wa tse gore batswadi o yo mogolo ka gae e ba ile goreng ish nyaka play ka po wa re email
Yeah.
ene gona le nna
Mara singi motswadi o go.
a seng bangobe le nne ke boneng ka gona goreng gape ka mogore re strelang ka ona nka se expect gore mamazala braga a mphepe a tse borona o na le bana ba bangwe ba babedi ba santšha ba fepeng braga mamazala ka o spana e one
Yeah.
o ngisha mamazala ka o bereka dipantše pedi o ngisha braga goreng a beye borotho tafoleng
Come on.
o ngisha braga
Yeah.
so le ne ebile le goreng ish wa tsaya keng ya re le ne ke ditše dingwe ke bone tša bophelo gore ka monto bo jwang ke se ka imela mamazala o ngisha till today mamazala a tse gore wa ke veile ka lebaka la goreng ke bone o ka re ke a mo email cause wa strugela braga o ngisha that's why ke veile ka makhayana ke to dula roomong so general a tantše ka dula le ene ke dutse le ena ka re thoma mma last year
So no wetše gae.
no se ke botse gae bra ke no va da studio nga wala gae e bela goreng ish re go ke fela ke no cheka mamazala e bela gore mamazala ra bo mona wa ka gae because I need your help ka last bona ka gae e sa lengwana
Yeah. So no survive again. How do you live like?
No, so.
O di ezaga o be sharp o yeah.
braga gore ke di etsa ka braga ke ema lo bukio wa bona braga e ke sene gigi braga ke a tse gore nka sebele za
But there's a gig. You want to gig engwe bilo ka rena le di politiki ka moare like they are barracks or something. But
ke ya members only pajama party
yeah.
ile ke a visionary braga visionary gore ke mo text stage braga mo tse situation yana mo go tlhalosetseng a le re show
Yeah.
da mona go le bothoko braga le jojo manjaro braga go le bothoko ke rile ke botse jojo manjaro a re mfana ka e goneng
Like le nna ke tsebe story sa ke feel like o nyaka re be le remorse or re be le pity, re feel pity for you.
wa bona jojo manjaro braga ke thomelo tse di skits braga ke thomile ke lebeletse yena gale ke motho bitse ke mfetho ke thomelo tse di skits braga o ngisha jojo manjaro braga ke yena o reng e re thomellotse gale yana re grooma re bontšhisha kwa lobua braga o ngisha so manjaro he was the first person ke letseng yana ke mmotsa taba tša le re show a re mona e gone eng mfana ka ba ka se die wena so cause up ne ke tseba gore le re show ke ya go re braga se ya ka mmotsa everything braga
I was looking forward to ke tle ke khone le nna ke khone go bolela story sa ka jo.
eish braga o ka se ite
I thought it's you there.
braga wa o ne peace la batho ba ntse ba eta go batala nna ba nna re ke nna braga ba nna re ke nna na se nna wa tso ke text ke le company tse di buy tse di brands ba buse ba nyoko ba reka le nna through me le re show ke kwa bothoko reng a se nna braga then ninga opportunity ke kry nga be ita mo go nna braga ke tsebo re ke kry sengwenyana mara ke kry fokol manjaro braga ntwa mbutšeng yona braga le mamtho e sa sika ka mo o rile mfanaka wena se di posh the only mistake that you did is you failed to protect yourself and your brand ke to manjaro mbutšeng yona a re mfanaka o ska fela moya
Yeah, man. So now you have your own baby, which is
podcast academy
Podcast Academy. What is it all about? Like podcast dia fapana. That's why I'm different from.
Sure.
You cannot compare me with anyone.
Sure.
Aki one.
podcast academy ya re braga ke nyoko fa the upcoming artist
Yeah.
a chance to be on the show gore le bona ba bolele story sa bona because I found out gore le mo le spanele re show ne ba gana tša the upcoming artist
Oh, banyaka the big names.
big names le before Pumintena to blow Pumintena ga le ke nna kwa bo ma sneakers Pumintena mpo a re mate ke nyo reng ke the podcasting ke bolele
Yeah.
ka la tama jita ka re braja a re interview Pumintena monjo ba mbutšeng ona ba reng Pumintena is still small for the show.
He does not have numbers.
He
But
doesn't have
look
numbers.
at him now. Look at that boy now.
lebelela taba no so rota ga e bra
Yo.
ba bo gona ba reng bolela founela Pumintena mo tšo rata podcasting for what you didn't want him when he was nothing now he's something you want him for what reason
Come on, man.
ke bone ke ntwe ke bone reng ka kwa braga ba hlatholla braga o ngisha
Yeah.
na braga ke na motho wa batho braga ke a tseba gore braga o kry opportunity mo life braga is not easy if braga o na le opportunity e kwa kgone o reng o thusha bana ba bangwe le bona ba be le spotlight ba thushe braga so that's why ke ithomile podcast academy meaning gore braga bana ba ba the upcoming artist ke nyoko ba fa an opportunity influencer dancer ke nyoko ba fa opportunity reng ba be podcasting braga le bona ba kry spotlight.
So now your wish now, because of it's still brand new, I went through the social media ke check or post eng. There is none there.
Sure.
So who's your first artist or name that we can expect from your show?
The first-
because
the
the show first show ke Lord Sonjere FM it's a beka mukarna re bona. So what is it that you have for us, the new podcast?
So the new podcast the braga nigerna nor first guest take to batsa ga tsaga ga braga
Yeah.
like rabulela mfetu ga braga street so tsaga urla renge ish mfana ga pushanyana di numbers oring e geta mu e be mollonya ongisha braga so the first person who can no mutisha ibile shitero kwa nge Master Cortez.
Yeah. On your new interview le so munyaka the
the
second
new
round
one.
on your new
Yeah.
podcast.
Ke Master Cortez. Why Master Cortez is because he's been there braga
Yeah.
ke ena lena khalampuntsha dala da eno gona ke rele ke mmoja a ntonto yong khata Master Cortez is like a khitisho kwana ma he's going to show up
Yeah.
ongisha braga so Master Cortez is going to be the first guest second guest rasana no ritishema
Yeah.
ongisha braga so na braga podcast ya ga braga le na batho ba setšhaba nga gopela reng gopela le supporting the way galang support ka wa le show le nano re le show kya gopela support and ke promise reng every week ke to dropa ka le fa ditaba ka le tsetsa di guest role ongisha braga
Yeah.
cause le nuso ke na le di guest role tse di nya go reng the podcasting Prince Benz
Mapenzela. Okay, yena, where is he?
Prince Benzo.
Yeah, he's still pushing.
ne Prince Benzo sa pusha braga Prince Benzo la ne ke la uthi braga asa khethiji braga tjatjile ke ba imishala enwa gala ba imile tjatjing braga
Yeah.
asa ba khethiji hore wa professional ka matjatja braga ba imile ene o reng at least ke ba interview braga into go botse gore braga that's the thing ye e change bophelo ba ka that day yo reng ke a bona hore okay sharp no braga I'm a brand I'm not just this ke brand braga no ke frostane ke batho ba ka re industry ba.
Come on, man. When I go born like languages, she go get what's wrong. No one of to get fucking or something. I thought we Mutola or me fuck or something. But when I listen to your story now, it's deep to a point where guys, these guys need our help. Like, firstly, Sonju bele black aha, obe sharp when we must support you. By supporting you is to view your content. Is to when you sell something, you must sell something so that they can support you. Kinana jal.
Lona nga lebo wale wa nthusha bra because ke a bona nna motho lo reng a ke gopele motho selo bra
Yeah.
a gopele motho selo bra ke le ke bona gore ke desperate bra nga se olate ka re bra ya go gopela bra nga se olate company nna ke bra ka safari
Come on.
ngisha bra
Let's talk about your music. What's in more musicing? What was the inspiration? Or to no musicing and no level mang? Motondo no level for you to start.
wa bona bra ka music
Yeah.
music like in general ka hip hop ba ka lokombo
Any be author. I'm a musician because of nuggets. There was a video in perform on a Mitchell Water, school or something.
Sure.
You got no better hip hop.
mo le ne ke betha hip hop bra wa tsewa motho wa tsong inspire hip hop ema ke a utshongwa ba re ke Playboy Carti
Okay.
America
Yeah.
Playboy Carti braga ek bra daman ne ka mo frostana ke re nuku sa mo frostana da boy
Yeah.
ongisha braga Playboy Carti ke yana ndilo reng ke frostane hip hop mara motho mo ne le AKE ka gore wa bona mirire ke braga ke no ba
Yeah.
la motho mo khale le AKE braga kinen ne ke mo frostana braga ongisha le the day baza to fire ke gola bothoko braga re khale ke sale di internet braga se rola ka mo Facebook ka bona ba reng AKE passed away braga gola bothoko braga la mamazala wa tseba that day braga skisi the whole day ke go bothoko ke go ka reng motho a thokofetseng ke motho ke mo tsebang so ongisha braga
Yeah.
ke AKE braga le Playboy Carti ke ba hip hop braga le tjetse lela ke performer da gila sa ona braga go ke wa crowd
I've seen that. Yeah.
braga go ke jo bona re mola ke na la power ka hip hop braga mola ke jo bona re ke na la power till today braga o ka mfa audience braga pa hip hop
But
braga
why now? Why did you decide or what's what again? Moge a follower, hip hop a follower, gets an agamolo compong, then we eat leisure.
so braga wa bona molokombong braga ore ke thomo nyugo tsana ka lokombo
Yeah.
I was forced ongisha
By what?
galona a ise mo gotsa ka mara galle o na le mpingwa ka no a re sa le dia choose ba re ke Mokhimpane 44
Yeah.
Mokhimpane 44 gala bathele botshongo kwa gale ke a o thela bothileng go shela nna ke tshwere bo mama ya tribal
Yeah.
Mokhimpane 44 galla o thele ne ke phela le ena wa sharp ke ena o thela introduce ngara music wa Lokombo tribal nimi tongisha
Yeah.
da man again I'm feeling opportunity ra mfana ka una lo kosheshe ba re ke papa action pataushi braga kunotheleja braga ka re ke tsere beke gore ke thetse go shela ka ngwala
What
Ongisha.
no pela ke itse the song. No. What is the verse?
bare ke se wa shit mfana tsoro bo mama bare tik mfana fere na mfana ke lebetse flow
Yeah.
se wa shit mfana furu fo ba la mfana fere ba fana ba papa mfana ba taka wa ne cha ya mfana wa tshwana ole wa mfana khale ke le botsa se ke boss mara la flop fa ke wa tshwana na ke ya trend sulpa ta diva na ke sa o bola mara go pela na mu fela khale the first song ya ke itsening braga ke betha verse ani.
But ke feel gore lena ka mo di rap tša ka mo Lekompong, you guys sound the same. If like now, give example ka the likes of Lepaka, cause it's ba yena. There are a lot of artists ba batlang now, but they sound like him.
Sure.
Now, before it was Shebe, you guys, not you guys, so Nelly sounded like Shebe. Wena ka mo Lekompong no inspire ke mang, like in
Ka mo
terms of
Lekompong
rap,
Braga.
yeah.
Na ka mara kombo braga ne ke inspire ke buchung go ka re ke tribal mara ka kombo braga a ke mabena braga ongisha mabena a thoma braga a ne ke sa mo frostane ongisha le bile ke phala ke dia juke ke na le majidi ka re dama na fetse go tsena gale sela ya tsena ngwana ongisha a fetse go tsena lo go ka tsa go ne re phela re betha juke se majidi ongisha
Yeah.
mara braga ga re ke blomile ke tshiletse daman ka bola re bona daman braga o bolela knowledge braga damane mna writing skills ya braga di blind damane o kgone o bolela tell a story street o bolela story ya ra go sha braga o ngwisha
Yeah.
so ke inspire le yena ngwisha braga ka motheletse too much mara flop ne ne ke lebeletse tribal too much ka re ne ke phela bo mkimpane le chungo go gongwe o ngwisha braga
Yeah.
so mabene no bolo re ne ke na inspire ka re braga ngambele from there be lo reng awa ka thomo frustana la paka o mona la paka
Yeah.
a la paka mo frustani le a betha go shela le change ya re ka bomme baka
Yeah, ke no ba ke say familiar with yeah.
ya bomme baka braga wa la paka on change or na ke tseba la paka braga ke change down
And ke kwele gore ko wena o ngwalela change down because
ai
oh sorry maybe ke pula ska I don't know man but
braga bone a o change ke mpya
but it's flowing now compared to when he started now and now like I see different. He's still gonna come on this car.
Sure.
So okay, Raul, like are you writing for him or ke mabarabara fela?
a go shit fair
Which one?
yeah anele sky T le bilo dropile EP ka mokare mo last of last week
Yeah.
ke go share one fela tše dingwe re no bontšhang le no fela mpontšha
Oh.
le no na le flu tše dingwe change no mpontšha ra mfana ka betha so ko reng na le change brotherhood ya rena mo ke nne ke tle a rama jita ka mo ka kgona go tlela change ke be ke mmitse le mfana a ono motho a ka lela tang change ya ka mfana
How dangerous?
o di fear him
Fear what? Is he dangerous? Is he dangerous? Le bo sheriff wa mochao.
sheriff wa motšhaba sheriff wa motšhaba ke ra gore ke sheriff wa motšhaba
Chaba man.
motšhaba change down
Adiang.
ke mpya dizikho gape
Yalo ubetha nazikho gane.
Ziko gang.
aish ke pocket what
Oh, to what?
ke dizikho
Oh.
Oh maybe ngano jaba ro tumbetha zikho mara. Wara na wena na kumpya strata wa tsebo.
ya tseba bra
Yeah, so yalo ke mang ke chaba mam.
o a o sheriff wa motšhaba ba rona le ba ba tšhabang change o na le ba e bia make fast ya pelo no ta bolela go change una le batho ba motšhaba
Oh, what's it change una le botsotsi inside? Like
a we no ba
gangster.
re reng gale lo tsene ba dia gale
Yeah.
e kwa ko re nuso batho ba sa motšhabela lo tsela tša gale mara no ta mane motho o loka bra
No sharp.
a
No.
wa o lokile da boy bra
Because wa mochaba.
magna e be le gore ke frostane braga change braga ore ke tsebewa ka music ore ke kgone go bukiwa ke mfeto every time ke mkhapa gigi braga o kgone o reng mfana ka batho go shetse pedi tša mafelelo tswalele
Yeah.
gore ta performa wa crowd o performa wena a flu stage o to hype a sa ta ba artist ba dancer rao
Oh, now I get the point.
ongisha
now.
braga
Yeah, I get the
change
point.
down ke yena braga o I'm feeling spotlight
Plus lerato di aso makompo. Le dia jwang? Cheers po. And then both try we again. Ke kula ba ba utswetse dikosha or something.
eish braga wa
What
bona go
happened?
shela e ona le go shengwa braga a ke blame tribe bua ongisha trmola ke mo blame braga ona
Mara
le go
o tsere kosha ya le ya hao ya lena.
ga le go shela e re braga ke nna ke sidro ke the near kizi le KK production a go sha braga go shela braga le Captain Mosh le after go shela tswela album ya Captain Mosh ka ya 20 bangers in a mission.
Yeah.
The name of the song kwa album ya mfite barga manaba
Yeah.
ongisha braga so near kizi braga o jeri that song I wait for tribe braga ongisha no so go shela trend ongisha le mapitsi omtso mapitsi ola Facebook o barga mapitsi
Pizzi ke mono o bolela ka mogwanya ga. O bolela
sure
o e tlhaba itleng.
sure mapitsi ngela ya bolela braga a bolela o reng a pota sol near kizi o tja go sha ayo fa tr and go sha re di dileng braga di go sha re dileng last year braga le phela ke ya le ba go mo braga le sidro re ya go kekele le near kizi go shitele ke tja gala braga ongisha so di thomelo tswa this year so yela manaba etwele kara album ya Captain Mosh ya 20 bangers in a mission so mapitsi ngila e bolela kwa Facebook ba thugala ba isha lona then ya strenda mo gola verse no reng the very same day I poster ke the very same day we lost Quintesh
Esa. Mo sa sta ba gale be Quintesh o nahana a month a tsamaya.
sure it was the very same day re tuluza Quintesh so ya be lo reng ra stata re ita re samo we pusha ka ntshila ka ntshi ongisha braga
Yeah.
so ebile la oreng shapo ni ya kise re mo phone la tshware di phone ja rena re zama mo text a arabe message ja rena braga ongisha yela ore go shitse boto go reng wa just panisa rena braga re itimela maroko ja tlela braga re tlile le ba go mo braga
Yeah.
braga re betlile selala ore re khode go shika aragane braga no so o phela le tribe ke out yao mara braga di treke tšela braga at least di braga wa bana nna na ka bolele nna ka bola set tša producer braga
Yeah.
ongisha di producer tšela di producer that sound reng o kgone ntšha di vocal tšela o ya ba braga o sa ba credit at least I no credit bo sidro braga o na le outungwe braga wa betha no ke producer ba re ke sidro
Yeah.
da mana braga o blind
O ntshitse ko shefeng ile re ya tsebega like that.
bophelo ba strata ne loza between in le go shwa ne la bojinto mochacho ongisha bophelo ba strata ba lawyer ane le pre quarry.
You know, if I can go deep, like itla ke bolela maga ke re ke a di tseba. Mara le combo is broad, like
Sure.
le godile now. Le ya
Sure.
to the world because ke bone le se tse tsene bo di Metro FM nominees. Go ra ke tsore Metro FM ya bona re le compo la tsena, so they want to benefit as well in terms of whatever.
Sure.
Or maybe ke ntwela gore ke culture so nje no tsena. Eventually so nje no tsena. But now we're losing a lot of makompo, man. I don't know. What is your thought? What una no re ka ba iling e loreng e dira gore re lose makompo like
Braga
that.
na ngar es mo compare wa tsa re laisha game braga
Yeah.
a ke thapelo braga rapeli bontši ba rena ba makombo braga
Yeah.
ongisha a rapeli go shora braga wa bana thapelo a modimo braga e bogala braga
Yeah.
ongisha braga thapelo a modimo bogala braga le nna braga gore ke temo gore bi braga le go to texta ka rapetse pele braga or braga froze ngaraba and wangaraba
How many people are asking to come here, bro?
ba baya braga ongisha
Yeah.
ba baya kwa ka sebeke ba tsa ba nyugotambo ba baya braga
Yeah.
mara braga rapage le dino rantsitse so braga go tswa rapela gore modimo wa tsa egeng then ya ka ya pride gore ke gana motho nthu go polo no mbelesa ka motho ka nthushang ka pusha my vision
And you know the time ki interview lady man
Lady J
Lady J. Danny was there.
dini braga gore
Maybe Danny must come and actually explain or so mero kwa eng u bona eng go lena o nyaka eng o maybe u bona golden and we
a
don't
bona
see
potential
it. Yeah.
braga wa bona dini ke o the braga o nyo go bona o spana ena ka bona gore wa spana ne wa pusha braga bona o kry attention ya mo braga o kry attention ya ba zanye ke batho ba o tswafa wa tswafa la spana
They're not smart in terms of business. But
Sure.
it's still for another day. Le compo now. Shebe is not here.
sure
Charisma is not here. So people are saying the compo is sinking. slowly but surely, but Barisa Singh, what is your thought?
braga na re to nne ke pathela tshufu braga
Yeah.
ta go botse ntwe e tre braga wa bana le kombo braga bo bana charisma bo shebe le bo shandesh ke bona ba dino le kombo re le kwale worldwide
Yeah.
wa ngusha braga ke bona braga ere mara braga frazo thecha bafana ba batang nu braga wa bona bo permanentine bo lapaka ba daer mara bo after lapaka braga una le majita o petha braga ngofa braga wa motse ba fentsa ye
Fenza ye.
ayo no mo ba re ke fentse braga o tswana mo phithi ngolo a betha
Ke moshimane.
nga ngonyana o betha nto o betha le verse tse lengwa braga wa bona yo a ngolo a betha a re no betha the ocean in the ocean o ke change position o ntotsa ka lotion ngolo to bolaya braga
But this shen. Tsaka or get the AI or
that's
something.
the AI ngolo wa ngwala braga fentse braga ngolo dile go shale slido or na ngolo braga ka mothileje braga ka mo frosta ga lentse ka mo follow ga braga
Yeah.
mara ngono braga o tong khota music or nge ngono wa betha or mono ngono munyane mon ngolo wa ro batha go re ma grade 11 no grade 11 or 10
Marwaba lie.
mara wa bolaya braga ona mfano mo ya le mo fedi flowers wa mona ba re ke black 2x20 ona mfano mo braga wa phula apa no
Like a Blake 2.
black 20
Shout out, man. Shout out to you.
da mono wa betha braga mfano la braga di triple tse di baya tse artist tse di fail mfano lo phala post mo TikTok nya le mo feature la gara go shela Phumla Kavela ane yela real key mfana
Yeah,
go
yeah.
ke mfano lo betha kwa mafelelong mfano lo blind braga
Re sa tlo bona tse dintsi tse go podcasting ya podcast academy tse le reng this guy will actually identify the
Sure.
talent ya Lekompo and then for sure re tlo ba tseba. And now I don't know before ke tsena into who's the best Lekompo artist so far for you. I don't know. Sheriff, anyone into entertainment? Anyone will go share something maybe. Sheriff got the mic. You can now do one more for mic, it's fine. What move yeah. Key entertainment, yeah.
Washa,
Sure.
the only MC wa frontally. So wara king into dealing oro na decide oro na onyo kwatsana kara music.
doing deciding is because braga bono ringe music in alza ongisha braga and lo wana braga khalanche ke batha hip hop ongisha braga and ke il dare ne ke rata nga braga na braga ne ke frostana music o to bonyane braga frostana music na braga ke go tse mamazala ka ndalela Tupac 24/7 ongisha braga mamazala ke is a huge Tupac fan ongisha braga so music o ratela na go braga le nna ka braga ka exam room braga ga le go no fetsa ka exam room braga ke fetsa ngwala ena ka morawa question paper ngwala lyrics so get that thing you're okay sharp I'm in love with music ongisha braga
Right, thanks. And again, again, that was the past. You decided to come to Rich B podcast, and afterwards, what is it that you want to achieve? Focus working from now on. What is it that we are expecting from you?
We do just walk away, but it's fine. We can
a ngushi ya na
Yeah.
braga tse ba go spirino ba ke se ba thagwa lugu
Mara iri kudu kudu before chola pay. Iri kudu kudu.
gudugudu
Yeah, continue.
na braga bona no swere na braga ntwe ngo botsa yona re no so mna main focus ya ka ke go godisha podcast academy go fa bana ba batho di chance or nge ba ba out there le bona ba ba recognize
Yeah.
ke bolala jona
all right, yeah. Like you need
Ongisha, but,
you go to a platform or ba
Ongisha.
khone go tsebega, yeah.
ongisha braga so now main focus ya ka no so ke the podcast academy ke nyo re nge batho ba kere opportunity braga come we as one we are family braga we all humans we all deserve a chance in life braga ongisha
Sure.
so ebile the give the ne ke nyo idea gore nge braja ka le ska chabota mo nna no ke nna ke peragang ska chabota mo nna braja ke to le fa opportunity if le nyo ta podcasting lata if le nyo go bota ka something lata braja ke to le fa opportunity ongisha
Washa. Sheriff.
Awe. Firstly, hey, lo wena mfana story sa se kuja botlhoko mpia man re no sha bala botlhoko no sa nje thome beta ba
Bra, sorry, bra.
re dia go bua
Ke nana re kolokele mpete but sure re ke ska o disturb.
me bra story sa mfethu me bra it's something ye leng gore like it's eye opener. Like most of people that we see on the media, we don't actually pick up their story or on a personal level to that sort. Mara na, I don't have much to say, young king. Ntunga uja or keep on. Rasa amor majority of people that we look up to and admire, we actually don't know or and then eventually what they are trying to achieve, they achieve. So now all I can say, keep on. Oh boy. Nto idiang raibona. Asitawara ribu, nto idiang we pushang raibona. That's why urbona, even today we are here. Just to see okay sharp. It's gonna be a beautiful thing to watch, to see a young man grow into something. We see in him and whatsoever. I can me bra.
Yeah, man.
That's all I need to say.
There's a lot of support, man, and don't disappoint them. Le sharp, Denny Oshabu, Kep Oshabu. Denny always want to remain. So, but maybe your best compo now, artist so far. Ubelela net sing about bifa lamang udirang ne. Unano recover kima mutolo recover award for the award. Rafael the best compo artist.
Puminti no brag. Puminti no brag about fluja cha hip hop. Karalo combo brag. Mfano fluja la pattern brag cha hip hop. Braga ongisha so Puminti Braga damani na mufindi flowers chaga Braga
esale no
mfano la chachamis ongisha Braga Puminti ni kara top 5 yake number 1
okay ergo 5 top 5 yake boma
number 1 ke Puminti ne nathi lipaga
nathi
change down
because wa mchava
wake mchava ya
sha because wa mfrostana
change down let's cut la sheriff
sheriff because of utlelo yena ka utlwela mo Pitori
sheriff wa beta sheriff la na una logo shetse ke dileng le yena itsa di hit ke file ke mfethu sheriff
una le lot of things to say le yena ba ke tsebo re ke tlo mo krea jwang or re bolele re dule fast but there's a lot and ba bantsi ba tlo re kwatela or ba tlo mo kwatela if I ka tla dula le nna mo because if I pick up a lot of things from him. So now, word of the day or good night, word of the day and word of the night.
Word of the night. Good night. Word of the night ngaringe don't act rich. Yeah? When you go ring was chabilo
or was ka actor yo jekana. Ke ya slalosa ke re ka bolela se gona ke tla translate. Ska actor yo jekana ka rich B.
Don't act rich. To was impetile mara brajaga leska dio wa rena le zaga braga le thomo le zamo khatisha batho brajaga ngisha eba wena braga be yourself, be free braga. Nobody can stop who you are ngisha braga. Look to the upcoming artists le batho ba mfrostana brajaga. If you feel like mfethu drinking idea, go for it. Nothing is gonna stop you. Ono mutho to stop angore o achieve into we duma ke toro ya when ke dine o tseba gore e ka mfitesa somewhere. Braga, go for it, braga. That's what I could say.
Yeah, man, shout out to that. And maybe now o tlo tlhokofala one day, one of the days. It's what I wish you o tlhokofala. But if should you o nyaka gore ba go gopola ka eng mo lefaseng
na braja ega ngava mo lefaseng o nyolo ngopala for my kindness, my warm heart, loring ke kgono le entertain mo social media. I want to be remembered as a legend or ke kgono thusha batho ba ba. That's why ke dira the na podcast or ke thusha batho ba ba. Ongisha so go nyoko re le ngopala ka lo tsana tse o reng braga ngolo ba la o thung ba re ke stize ke nna mpia she ke thusha batho ke nyoko thusha batho ba ba o reng ba fithe mo ba nyoko fitang gona braga. So braga na ntwe nka reng batho ba ngopola ka yone ke nyoko re ba ngopola ka dele nyane ela fela
Fair. Sharp. Let's get into a love life.
Sure.
For this only 2 minutes. I'm wrapping up. I'm checking the time now.
Okay.
It's almost an hour. Love life. Are you seeing someone? Are you dating?
yes
How many?
1
If for one or you're proud to say the name.
yes I'm dating Oratile.
Only Oratile.
Yeah, I'm dating Oratile.
Side chick.
No,
Any kids with Oratile?
no, I not yet. Reason why that girl man, wabana kaswa ba reng if kwa khocha, if you find one girl who can sacrifice herself for you and sacrifice herself for you for your happiness,
Yeah.
stay with that girl. Na braga wabana ke ntse sokola so. Ngwala braga, she's been there. Urubijile na braga ke rubijana kwa sponching
Colin
braga.
Drazenle.
Yeah. I'm in the braga, she's always there for na. She's always there. Ka khawatega, she was always there.
Yeah.
And braga the day ke tunya ka room of budula. O dutile na o fitala lusubela fitala ke kra room braga.
Yeah.
Ongisha.
Sure.
All
All right. I see entertainment. I want to say something. Sure, bro.
Yes. Ora motho le ngoro tsore sharp. Ska ba motho le mo lefaseng.
Sure.
Lo ka ba successful. But you know what we have to do, Richie?
Sure.
This guy has been struggling.
Yeah.
Not to say or rena le tšhelete and stuff we can afford. Mara ne kere a re kopantšheng ditlhogo or le majita.
Yeah.
Mojita e a lla mo majiteng.
Yeah.
Le ena le a sa rekwe ore re bolela ka ena one day re mo surprises re re mpete shoe.
Yeah.
Na personally get I'm willing
Yeah.
to assist with whoever wants to be part of this sponsorship.
Yeah.
Nang re ka o rekela mpete re not nna with whoever that wants to come in. So nekere stories are we can all relate as majita or kamuka ara tsoa re le successful unless if kai ka borena kamuka re hodile re tseba hore kai shona ka borena na le chelete mara kamuka ara gola ka borena na le chelete. We all had to create something for ourselves.
Sure, bro.
So nerere if it's not you Richie or whoever, they can come in and then we contribute towards your bed.
So let's do this. Let's in a nutshell. I can say in a nutshell, but in a nutshell, can we get your details? If someone want to assist with something in terms of booking, in terms of support, in terms of sponsorship, who do we contact and reakai? Where do we follow you? How does people get hold of you?
For now brage mutho wa ka thokomela lo tsa ka tsa di bookings ke Denny le Mamazala.
Yeah.
Ongisha brage. So ke tono le ga ja ka Denny tal ga ja. Ongisha brage. Na cell phone number ke 067 145 5862.
Yeah. Denny. Jigishaka mo. Denny, maybe because of what are you saying? It's Jigishaka side. Yeah. It's very important. If maybe they want to come forward and assist, you'll never know, man. Somewhere somehow.
Sure.
Hey, Denny, how do we get hold of you, brother? As a manager or as a yeah? No, something. I can't hear you. Try more. Yeah. Try to like this thing. Maybe he disconnected. Yeah. Eh? All right, yeah. No, still, I didn't even know how our rapela. It's fine. Let me do this. Let me just put them on the screen, and then or how can we find of you, get hold of you, and then the social media wise, where do we follow you? Where do we support you? Where do we follow our English?
No TikTok ke Plug Boys Tizi 3162 ke TikTok. Facebook ke Plug Boys Tizi ka brackets podcast academy. Then YouTube ke buchi no check out Stizi's World.
Stizi's World.
Stizi's World. Nambile Instagram ke Plug Boys Tizi _316.
All right.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, ladies and gents. Thank you so much one more time for tuning in. Ngabele someone else dirajidi ngule no majwala level Orlando Pirates jiwa. But you're here with me. Thank you. Thank you, my baby. Thank you, my One time.
Abashe.